In an age where road safety and security are paramount, dash cams have emerged as indispensable gadgets for drivers worldwide. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or a professional driver, having a reliable dash cam can provide peace of mind and crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. As we venture further into 2024, let's delve into the top 5 best dash cams that stand out for their features, performance, and innovation. 5. Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. Topping our list is the Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam, a premium device boasting a built-in polarizing filter, image stabilization, and superior night vision mode. The 4K video resolution and new Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset ensure sharp and detailed footage at 30 FPS. With its crisp 3-inch full-color touchscreen and Amazon Alexa voice control integration, the 622GW offers an unparalleled user experience. Its low-light and extreme weather shooting modes enhance image quality, making it a reliable companion on the road. 4. Vantrue N5 Dash Cam. The Vantrue N5 stands out as a quad-channel dash cam, delivering near-complete surveillance by capturing incidents from every conceivable angle with its front, rear, and dual interior cameras. This comprehensive coverage ensures that whether it's a fender bender or an unexpected mishap inside your vehicle, the N5 has got it captured. Its sleek cylindrical design coupled with magnetic mounts not only ensures a seamless and easy installation, but also offers the flexibility to adjust the cameras to your preferred angles effortlessly. On top of its surveillance prowess, the Vantrue N5 is equipped with a built-in GPS feature that embeds location data directly into the video footage. This feature allows you to keep track of your routes, providing an added layer of security and accountability. While its nighttime footage might leave room for improvement in detail capture, the N5 compensates with vibrant colors and crystal-clear details during daytime recording, making it a dependable and trustworthy companion on the road. 3. 70mi A800S Dash Cam. Crafted by 70mi, a subsidiary of Xiaomi renowned for automotive technology, the A800S stands out as a top-value dash cam. Unboxing reveals a premium-feeling package, reflecting 70mi's attention to detail and commitment to quality. The A800S records in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with a 140 degrees viewing angle, ensuring detailed and expansive coverage. It offers seamless connectivity to your car's USB port and can be wired directly to the car's electrical system for a secure connection. The device supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB and features a large 3-inch screen for real-time footage viewing and playback. 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Garmin, a trusted name in navigation and outdoor tech, introduces the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, a compact yet powerful device designed for simplicity and functionality. Despite its petite size, it captures crisp Full HD videos at 30 frames per second through its 140 degrees lens. This might be slightly less expansive compared to other Garmin models, but considering its compact design and affordability, 1080p recording is more than adequate. The Dash Cam Mini 2's minimalistic design features only a lens and a ball and socket joint, ensuring easy windshield mounting. It boasts practical voice control commands like, "Hey Garmin," making it user-friendly and less distracting while driving. With its strategic button placement for manual video saving and audio control, the Mini 2 ensures convenience and ease of use. 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is a strong contender with its 1440p HD video recording capabilities under diverse lighting conditions. Building on its predecessor's strengths, the 67W introduces additional features like vault storage and remote access via Garmin's mobile apps. The device automatically uploads saved clips to Garmin's vault for 24-hour storage, and longer storage periods are available with a subscription plan. With its compact design, high dynamic range, HDR, function, and user-friendly Garmin Drive app, the 67W delivers top-notch performance and ease of use. As we navigate the roads of 2024, these top 5 dash cams offer varying features and price points to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize compactness, affordability, comprehensive surveillance, versatility, or premium quality, there's a dash cam on this list for you. Investing in a reliable dash cam is investing in your safety and peace of mind on the road. With these innovative devices at your disposal, you can drive with confidence, knowing you have a reliable eyewitness for every journey. Thank you for watching our video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.